Namaste children. Today we are dealing with the sentence. The sentence. What is a sentence then? Yes, group of words together. Is that right definition? Group of words together is a sentence? Once you think about it. Yeah. Sentence is a group of words together in a correct word order. So, here the definition. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Or we can say that a group of words are there in the correct order. It must begin with a capital letter. The rules how it should begin with a capital letter. A full stop must be placed at the end of the sentence. See here I can say that this is the basic thing of a sentence. If we go little bit depth. So what is a sentence again? A set of words that is complete in itself. That is complete in itself. It should be complete itself. Typically containing a subject and predicate. We are going to learn the next video what is subject and what is predicate. Conveying a statement, a question, exclamation or a command and consisting of a main clause and sometimes one or more subordinate clauses. I explained already what is phrase and what is clause. Once you grow and watch the video what is phrase and what is clause, based on this you should know this clause. Clause and sentence are same but some difference is there. So a sentence is a group of words, a set of words that is complete in itself. It cannot depend on other. A sentence should follow an order. It has a set of words and they should be order. First subject, then verb, then object. This kind of order should follow. And it may be a question statement, means a sentence, a question or exclamation or a command or a request consisting of a main clause and sometimes more than subordinate clauses also will be. We will learn in detail, but this is the correct exact definition of a sentence. Now some examples of the sentences. People need food. It's a statement. People need food. What is the difference between statement and sentence? Sentence is a group of words which may start with capital letter, may end with a question mark, full stop or the exclamatory mark. But sentence may be a statement, may not be a statement. Statements means what? It's an evergreen, like sun rises in the east. Like otherwise, people need food. It's a statement. Without food, they cannot survive. How are you? This is a question. Ended with question mark. Look out! Exclamatory mark. Shut the door. Ended with full stop. Come in, please. Ended with full stop. He opened the door. This is the sentence and this is the statement. He opened the door. He or may, she can also open the door. The subject may change, but here people need food. It's a basic thing. Without food they cannot survive. This kind of sentences are called statements. So a sentence may ended with a full stop or question mark or exclamatory mark. So, but always it should start with a capital letter. Okay. Shut the door. It's an order. Command. Come in please. It's a request. He opened the door. It's a sentence. Children, learn the sentence basic thing and based on that you have to complete page number 2 in your grammar book. It's very simple. Just to keep the capital letter and rewrite the sentence. Exercise 3. And exercise 2 also, exercise 1 also same. It should start with capital letter and end with full stop. But in this first unit, there is no question mark, there is no exclamatory mark, only full stop you have to keep. Okay. Thank you children, and complete the pages, page number 2 in your grammar book.